In the constantly shifting automotive industry, an intriguing possibility has surfaced that could reshape the future of transportation. A speculative report has sparked conversations about a potential merger between Tesla, the trailblazer in electric vehicles, and traditional automotive giants like Ford or General Motors. If this speculation proves true, the implications could be groundbreaking. Such a union would go beyond a simple corporate agreement, potentially paving the way for a transformative era of automotive innovation by blending Tesla's cutting-edge electric technology with the extensive manufacturing expertise of legacy automakers. This idea has captured the imagination of experts and investors alike. For Tesla, a partnership with Ford or GM could provide access to robust global dealership networks and established manufacturing infrastructure, enabling Tesla to scale its operations faster. Meanwhile, for Ford and GM, Tesla's expertise in EV technology and software development could act as a catalyst for their transition into the electric mobility space, a shift that has proven challenging for many traditional automakers. The potential benefits of this merger are immense. Combining Tesla's advanced electric powertrains, autonomous driving systems, and innovative software with the deep-rooted engineering expertise of Ford and GM could create a diversified portfolio of vehicles to cater to a wider audience. This includes everything from luxury sedans and performance sports cars to rugged trucks and SUVs. The collaboration could also foster rapid advancements in EV technology, leading to enhanced battery performance, faster charging capabilities, and safer autonomous driving features. The road to electrification is not without its hurdles, especially for legacy automakers who have long depended on internal combustion engine vehicles. While Tesla has focused exclusively on electric vehicles, companies like Ford and GM are navigating the complexities of balancing their traditional ICE business with the growing demand for EVs. This transition requires significant investment in new technologies, supply chains, and infrastructure. It also involves addressing labor issues, such as the demands from the United Auto Workers Union, which is advocating for higher wages and additional benefits. These demands add another layer of complexity to an already challenging transition, putting financial strain on companies that must also compete in an increasingly crowded EV market. A merger between Tesla, Ford, and GM could help mitigate some of these challenges by combining resources, expertise, and infrastructure. The result could be a collaborative effort to streamline EV production, reduce costs, and improve the profitability of electric vehicles. The synergy between these companies has the potential to revolutionize the automotive landscape. Together, they could create a more comprehensive vehicle lineup, expand into underserved markets, and set new standards for sustainable transportation. By leveraging economies of scale, they could also make electric vehicles more accessible to consumers by offering competitive pricing. Tesla's dominance in the EV market has already reshaped the industry. Analysts project that Tesla will hold an 18% share of the U.S. automotive market by 2030, outpacing Ford and GM, which are expected to secure 10% and 12%, respectively. This projection reflects Tesla's ability to innovate rapidly, expand its product range, and increase production capacity. A partnership with Ford or GM could accelerate this growth by providing Tesla with additional resources and access to established markets where it currently has limited reach. Collaboration in the EV sector is already showing significant results. Tesla recently struck a deal with Ford, granting the latter access to its extensive supercharger network. This collaboration has doubled Ford's charging infrastructure in North America, addressing concerns about range anxiety and making EV adoption more appealing to consumers. Such partnerships highlight the benefits of working together to tackle common challenges in the EV space. Elon Musk has also suggested the possibility of licensing Tesla's full self-driving software to other automakers. Musk has described this technology as a potential lifesaver and believes it is morally imperative to share it. By offering FSD as a licensable product, Tesla could open up a new revenue stream while fostering broader adoption of autonomous driving technology across the industry. This forward-thinking approach positions Tesla not just as an innovator but also as a collaborator in the advancement of clean and autonomous transportation. The idea of Tesla merging with Ford or GM isn't without challenges. Such a union would require the integration of vastly different corporate cultures, strategic objectives, and operational models. It would also face regulatory scrutiny, especially in terms of antitrust considerations, and would require approval from shareholders. Despite these obstacles, the potential rewards of this merger are too significant to ignore. It could redefine the competitive landscape of the automotive industry, driving innovation and sustainability on an unprecedented scale. Tesla has always been at the forefront of pushing boundaries in EV technology. From introducing the long-range Model S to expanding the supercharger network, Tesla has continually set benchmarks for the industry. Its early mover advantage, coupled with its relentless focus on innovation, has kept it ahead of competitors. By owning its value chain, Tesla has established a level of efficiency and control that is difficult for others to replicate. A partnership with Ford or GM would allow Tesla to further leverage its strengths while benefiting from the extensive resources and experience of legacy automakers. This potential merger would symbolize more than just a business strategy. It would represent a fusion of tradition and innovation. It would also serve as a signal to the industry that collaboration is key to navigating the challenges of electrification and creating a sustainable future for transportation. By pooling their expertise, Tesla, Ford, and GM could lead the charge in developing advanced EV technologies, alternative fuels, and sustainable manufacturing practices. This collaboration could set a new standard for the industry and accelerate the transition to clean energy on a global scale. As we consider this possibility, it's important to understand the potential impact on consumers. For the average car buyer, a Tesla-Ford-GM merger could mean greater access to affordable electric vehicles, improved charging infrastructure, and a wider variety of models to choose from. Consumers in regions where Tesla's presence is currently limited might benefit significantly from the expanded reach and support offered by such a partnership. Additionally, advancements in technology resulting from the collaboration could lead to safer and more reliable vehicles, enhancing the overall driving experience. From an environmental perspective, this merger could be a game-changer in the fight against climate change. By combining their efforts, Tesla, Ford, and GM could accelerate the shift to sustainable transportation, reducing greenhouse gas emissions, and promoting the adoption of cleaner energy solutions. This aligns with global efforts to combat climate change and meet ambitious emissions targets set by governments worldwide. On the financial front, the merger could create a powerhouse capable of attracting significant investment and driving innovation. By pooling their resources, the combined entity could fund ambitious R&D projects, explore new markets, and establish itself as a leader in the global automotive industry. This could also lead to job creation and economic growth, particularly in regions where manufacturing facilities and infrastructure are expanded. However, the merger would also come with its share of risks. Integrating companies with different corporate cultures, management styles, and strategic goals could lead to conflicts and inefficiencies. Regulatory hurdles, particularly in terms of antitrust laws, could also pose significant challenges. Shareholders and stakeholders would need to be convinced of the long-term benefits of such a merger, which might not be immediately apparent. The automotive world is undergoing a profound transformation. Legacy automakers are being compelled to pivot toward electrification, while Tesla continues to dominate with its innovative strategies and market appeal. The possibility of a merger between Tesla and major players like Ford or GM raises intriguing questions about the future of the industry. Would such a partnership unlock the full potential of these companies? Could it pave the way for a new era of sustainable and collaborative automotive development? Only time will tell, but one thing is certain: the landscape of the automotive industry is changing rapidly, and Tesla remains at the forefront of this evolution.